Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on HTTP Custom VPN for fast, secure, and private internet access. In a world where online privacy is becoming more important every day, many VPN services claim to protect your data, but not all of them truly deliver strong security. That's why custom VPN setups like V2Ray are becoming popular because they offer better control, flexibility, and stronger encryption. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more powerful VPN tutorials and hidden internet tricks. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type OpenVPN/SSH and press Enter. From the search results, open the official OpenVPN/SSH website. Once the website loads, locate the menu icon and open the user section. Inside the service dashboard, you will see multiple protocols available. Select V2Ray VMess from the list. Now choose between free servers or premium servers. For this tutorial, we will select a free VMess server. Next, choose your preferred server location and click on Create User. After that, you will be redirected to the account creation page. Enter your username and confirm the action by clicking Create User again. Within a few seconds, your VMess server will be generated, and all configuration details will appear on the screen. Now, you will see multiple connection options such as Link TLS, Link NTLS, Link gRPC. Copy the one that suits your requirement and save it to your clipboard. Now open your VPN app, HTTP Custom VPN or HTTP Custom VPN. On the home screen, enable the V2Ray option. Tap the plugin or settings icon. Open the V2Ray configuration section. Tap the clipboard icon and paste the VMess configuration. Once the configuration is added, return to the main screen. Now simply press the Connect button. In a few seconds, your secure VPN connection will be active, giving you fast and private internet access. That's it. You have successfully created a V2Ray VMess server and configured it on your VPN app. This method gives you better privacy, stronger security, and more stable connectivity compared to regular VPN services. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.